jumbos.
What do you think that is?
Oh my god, I almost just dropped my reel down the hole.
I thought you dropped your phone.
Hi.